Hey guys, Bruce T here and welcome to the video. Can you believe it? Somebody backed into my Jeep Cherokee while I was parked the other day. I'll get into that later on in the video, but for now I just want to say thank you. Last week we hit a milestone and I finally got 1,000 subscribers on my channel. It took a long time to get here and I want to thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing to my channel and liking what I do, and I hope to make some more videos for you guys in the future. I do have plans to get some more content out. I know on the BMW I got something that I bought for it that every BMW GS owner should have. So I'm going to get a video done on that pretty soon. And I also have a video on the Roush that I can do. Finally my active exhaust is installed and I got to put the finishing touches on that, and I'll explain in that video what's been going on with the Roush. So I'm looking forward to getting those videos out to you guys, and I hope to get them out real soon. Okay, first thing I want to go over is the GoPro giveaway. I know back in November I bought the camera for you guys to give away, and I kind of sat on it for a little bit. I had a trip in December that I did to the Galapagos, and that was an amazing time. We went to the Amazon for 4 days, and then we went to the Galapagos Islands and was on a yacht for 4 days. So it was a very nice trip with Brendan Vanson, and I had such a good time. So in that time, wasn't a good time to do the giveaway. So then finally when I got back from that trip, I'm like, I really got to get this giveaway done. So I did the giveaway, and the winner was Nelly Winter. She has a YouTube channel herself, and I'll put a link in the description below and you guys can check it out. She did make a video on the GoPro Hero 8 already, and I'm glad that it went to somebody who could use it. Other things that have been going on. Do you remember that trip I did back in September when I went to the Adirondacks in upstate New York with my BMW GS 1200? Well, on that trip, the first video went good. It was a good day. And then on day 2, there was a crash. And then on day 3, there was a crash. So I really didn't want to upload those videos, being that I didn't really have good footage, and it kind of ended on a somber note. So that kind of squashed my videos of those trips that I had, and I kind of lost my motivation to make videos, and over the winter I was taking a break. And then in March I had a flight to the United States that I was gonna go spend the summer there and have some fun with my other BMW GS adventure there, and I had a trip planned in June and it was gonna be great. And then all this stuff happened. My flight on March 21st got canceled about a week before I was supposed to go. So what happened was I contacted my employer and I said, hey, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get out of Germany. Can I just continue working until all this stuff hashes itself out? So that's what I did. I went back to work and my flight got canceled, and I've been hunkered down here in Germany. Luckily, things here seem to be getting back to normal soon, and I'm hoping that everybody out there is staying healthy and doing what they're supposed to do to keep everybody safe. Alright, so now for the Jeep. I was parked and I went to go check my mail the other day, and this happened. Alright, so I come back from checking my mail, and then all of a sudden I noticed that my Jeep had a license plate that was dinged up a little bit. So I checked my dash cam footage, and sure enough, the guy that was in front of me just backed into my Jeep almost at full speed. He didn't even seem to hit the brakes or go slow or try to inch up to it. He was just like, I'm just going to back into this and then that'll give me enough room to get out. Well, as you can see, I had a dash camera and I was able to catch up with him. Oddly enough, it was where I work, where I saw him pull up to get gas, and I confronted him and I showed him the video. And fortunately, there's no damage to my Jeep. As you can see here, it's just a license plate that's dinged up. But I looked real closely and there's no cracks, there's not even a chip in my paint, so my Jeep is perfectly fine. It's just a license plate that took the brunt of the damage. So I confronted him and showed him the video, and I said, you know, people have nice things and like to keep them nice. This guy's truck was obviously scratched up and he didn't care about it much. It was probably 15 years old, and he didn't have the pride and ownership that I did with my brand new Jeep that I bought 2 years ago. And I like to keep it very nice, and you know, he told me that he was embarrassed that this happened, and he's very sorry. And I just told him, look, it's okay, I don't care. I'm not going to call the police or anything because there's no damage to my car, and no harm, no foul, but next time try to be careful, because if it was this Mustang that he hit, it would have been a lot worse than my Jeep, and you know, I'd probably need a new grill, hood, front fascia, everything. And it just wasn't cool that he just drove away. Didn't even look to see what damage he did. It was like, oh, you know, I'll just drive away. Maybe nobody saw it. But I had dash cam, and I caught him red-handed. I wasn't going to pursue it further. I've bumped into cars before, and it's not fun, and you know, it's never good for anybody. Alright guys, so in a nutshell, that's what's been going on with me. I've been okay. I did get this bike out last week for a nice little ride, and she's still running great, and after the long winter, it started right up on the first try, and gave me no problems at all whatsoever. It did say that my maintenance is due, and it's time for bringing it into the dealer, but it only has like 2,500 kilometers on it. And around 5,000 or 6,000 I'll bring it into the dealer, but I'm not going to bring it in for maintenance just based on the 1 year since my last one. It's not needed, and I think it's not necessary. So thanks for watching. I plan on doing some more videos in the future, and I thank you guys for subscribing again, and stay tuned for some more content. Have a good day, and I'll see you later.